Today we have the 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This vehicle has done just over 72,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our vehicle settings, smartphone integration, media, radio and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats are full cream leather and get a good view of our panoramic roof.